Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez, and this is season 3 of Song Maker, and this is part 2. We were working with the drums. Now we're gonna do the bass line. We're gonna learn how to do a bass line. But as always, if you want more information, go to my website. Just Google Mr. Velez. Click here. It's gonna take you to my website. You're gonna go to Music Tech, Song Maker. This is season 1, season 2. You're gonna go to season 3. It's gonna take you to videos, to link, pictures, and more. Okay, so here let's do a baseline. Let me take this picture over here that I did in my classroom. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Those are the basic note in music. 7. We have them 5 black, but we're gonna talk about those later. We're gonna focus on those 7 basic, and those are white. See, so see the first one, and you can see here that C is the first one. I'm gonna go to B2. This is D. This is E, F, G, A, B. This is 7 note, and then here we're gonna repeat again the order C, D, E, and so. Okay, so you have 2 octaves of the same 7 note. We're gonna do a bass line, and this time we always start in C, in season 1 and season 2. Let's do now start in A. Okay, A will give you a more minor sound. Minor sound will be more like in the sax. It's not happy. It's more like sad mood, something like that. And we're gonna do a bass line. So we're gonna stay in this range. We're not gonna go to the high range. See, this is a high range. This is a low range. We're gonna do a bass line, something more like this section here. Okay. Here I have A, here I have F, here I have G. So I'm gonna do then A, and this is, you see, we have the 16th note. Remember, we were doing the 16th note. We increase before we have quarter and A note. Now we have quarter, A note, and 16th note that we can choose and do. So let's take a listen. So this one, let's see. So you have to keep checking. Okay, let's put 2 here and let's listen back. Like it. I'm gonna keep that idea. So see, I'm checking B2. I like patterns. See, remember? So let's listen. That sounds good. Then I'm gonna go to E, to F. Dun. I'm gonna listen back. That's now nice. Let's see. Then I'm gonna go a walk down to go to A. Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh, you're perfect, because then A is gonna be here. So this is a nice walk from low to up. Ta 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 ta. And maybe put some notes there and listen. Let's see. That sounds good. See, and I did know, don't go crazy. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do a bass line. A bass line is, think more like a big instrument that is low and slow, so like an elephant. And it's not a flute, so it's not in the high range, it's more low range. So keep it simple and keep it that is working with the drum. I'm gonna say this, copy the link, remember to open your SoundMaker Google Doc, and now this is gonna be drums with bass line section A. Okay, section A only for now. So I'm gonna copy the link, Control V, click enter. You see the line and the blue is good. Then you save your song, and there you have it. Now in the next video we can work on part B, which is increasing more bars. Right now we have 4 measures. Measure and bar are the same. So here we have bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4, and so on. So we have to then do part B, which is gonna be, see, this is part A, part B, increasing more. Then we repeat again, and then C section we're gonna do from bar 13 to 16. The last section, because I want to do what is called a rondo, which is A, B, A, C. We don't have A in SoundMaker, but it's okay. We can then go to C. And that's about it for now. So save it, leave some comment, and see you in the next video that we're going to work on part B. Thank you so much. See you.